Good afternoon. Today I'm going to teach you how to link your Schoology account with your Office 365 account so that you can complete assignments. This is beneficial because you're going to have to do this for your computer at home so you can complete assignments on Wednesdays, okay? So here we go. So you would be on Schoology. You're going to get in the course that has your activity. And like today, we did the Tell Me About You. Okay. And as you can see here, it says open this document, fill it out online, and then resubmit it to me. But there is no document. So you have to click on My Document. Okay. And this is going to come up. This login thing, okay? You're going to hit connect down here where it says Microsoft OneDrive. And what you're going to do is you are going to add your name and your username, but there's a little trick to it. So, okay, you put your username like you would be logging into your computer, but you have to do @swcsd.org. I don't know why, but it's what it expects it to do. Then you're going to hit next. Then you are going to use your password. Now remember, your password is always your name and 1, 2, 3. And then sign in. So, as you can see, I did not do it right. So we're going to do his. There we go. Okay. Then I'm going to accept the permission. And you only have to do this once. Okay. And this SharePoint online will come up. And you're going to sign in with the same account that you already used. And you might have to do it a few times. You can go to Edit. And now it brings you up to the document. So as you see, this was the document. And the nice thing about this is you can fill this out and it doesn't change my form, but what it does is it sends it back to me so I can grade it. So, for example, this would say James, because this is his. What's your name? James. And he would fill this in. Okay? After he was done completing this, he would go back here. He would hit edit. Excuse me, I hit the wrong button. He would hit submit my assignment. Then he would hit yes, submit. And that's how you know that it was submitted. And what will happen is after it's submitted, it will show back up here for you with all your answers in it. Okay? If you didn't like that assignment, say you saw some mistakes, you could always hit unsubmit and it'll kick it back to you and you can change your mistakes, okay? That's it for that one. Thanks, guys. Bye.